What's up, guys? It's Asia, aka All Things Triple A. I'm so glad that you clicked on my channel in this video today. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick makeup look, an everyday makeup look, whatever you want to call it. Just some simple makeup that I tend to do every day that I really pack down into 10 minutes or less. Sometimes it's even 5 minutes or less. It just depends on how I'm feeling. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so this is just a little makeup hack for you. I am currently out of my eyebrow stuff that I use, and I recently started using Milk. I don't know if y'all can see that. I recently started using Milk, but before I was using Milk, I was using e.l.f. Their Wow Brow Gel, and it is so good. Like, when I tell you it is so good, it is so good. And so I'm out of both of those. So this is a makeup hack that I like to do whenever I'm out of my typical eyebrow appliances. I will literally just take a spoolie, and this old Milk thing has a spoolie on it. So I'll typically just take a spoolie, go into a darker brown, but not too dark because I don't like my eyebrows that dark, and I'll literally just spoolie it. And I know that might look like it's ruining my makeup, but I promise afterwards it's fine. And I literally just take it and brush it through my eyebrows. And so as you can already tell, it's getting darker already. And I don't worry about cleaning it up or not making it too messy. I just go ahead and do it, and it'll all just get cleaned up with concealer. So it's gonna look a little crazy at first, but that's just a makeup hack for you. A look. So then I'll grab my concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I just push a little bit out onto my hand. And then I'll just take the little brush that's on the end and just flatten it out. Then I'll go in right under my eyebrow, covering up anything I don't want to be seen and just shaping my brow. So I've shaped the bottom of my brow, and then as you can see, I just went through the middle. So now I'm going to take a darker color of the concealer. Again, LA Girl Pro Conceal. Do the same thing, squeeze it onto my hand, and I'm just gonna go in and shape the top of my brow. So now I'm just going to take a concealer brush. I just got one of these from TJ Maxx, and I'm just going to blend out everything. I start in the middle, then I go like this way, go back to the middle, like this, just so that everything is even. I really want to blend it all the way out because this is more of a natural look. So I want to blend it all the way out to where it looks like it is my skin. Then I go in here and just blend towards this way, just to give it a more natural look. Don't love boxy brows here. We do not love boxy brows. Okay, so once I have done my brows, I'll take whatever concealer I have left on my hand, go with the lighter one first, and just cover up anything that I want to cover up, any blemishes that I might not want to be seen that day. Most of my problem area is around my nose, so that's where I do the most. and then let that sit for a little bit, and I'll usually go over and fix some more stuff, add a little bit more of a highlight to my eyebrow bone, make sure everything is blended out up top, and then I go in with the whatever's left of the darker one and just put it on top, just dab it on top. Okay, so after I've done that, I take my e.l.f. setting spray and a beauty blender and I spray it. Give it a good squeeze, give it a good squeeze. Spray it again. Then I just dab in everything here and blend it outward. That's good. Then I go back with my lighter concealer and put some more on my hand, and I go upward in the corners of my eyes, and then I go in this corner of my eye, create an upside down V shape. Go back in with my beauty blender once I let this dry a little bit. I learned from Jackie Aina to let your concealer dry if you want more coverage yet still that natural, like dewy look. So let it dry a little bit for more coverage, and then I sometimes use this brush, sometimes I use this beauty blender. I find myself using the beauty blender first, going just outwards and blending this more with the beauty blender, and then this here. So we're just gonna do that. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna use this Magic Collection. It's actually a foundation that I use as a contouring stick. I got it from the beauty supply store for like less than $2, I'm pretty sure. So then I go highlight here where there's already a natural contour. I try not to get it in my hair, but sometimes it gets in my hair anyways. So then I'll go in, spray my beauty blender again, and just blend that out. Really blending into my cheekbone here. There you go. Just a light contour. Just add a little pizzazz. I will say most days I don't contour my nose simply because I'm too lazy to, but that's another story for another day. So then my favorite favorite part of the entire makeup routine, of my entire makeup routine. Like, and the crazy thing is, I used to never do this step, like, ever. And then all of a sudden one day I was like, let me just try it. And then I fell in love. So it's, drum roll, please. Blush. Blush, blush, blush. Blush is so much fun, y'all. Blush is so much fun. Like, it is so much fun. And I use the e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. I don't know which shade it is. I'll probably figure it out and put it like here. But e.l.f. Primer Infused Blush. So then I take this brush, Bronze and Glow brush, and I'll dab, really just get in there. And I'll just go like this in a circular motion, like right here, kind of like almost getting it on my eye a little bit, but just like right here. This is the hot spot right there. And then I'll just do the same thing to the other side. But do you see how this just like added so much like just life to that side of my face? Like, wow. Just wow. Yeah. Blush is really everything. I really overdo it with blush too, because it's like fairy dust. It's like, why wouldn't you overdo it, you know? Okay. So last step is highlight. Well, the last face step is highlight. This is Sophia and Maybell. I got it in an Ipsy bag because I have an Ipsy subscription that I haven't gotten in a while, I'll be honest. But this stuff is nice. So I was hesitant to use it because I don't really like, it's like not a powder highlight. It's like not gel, but you know what I mean. Like, it's like pasty almost. But I really do like it now. I was very hesitant and I wasn't going to use it. Honestly, I was going to give it away to someone else. But then I started using it one day and I was like, I'm gonna like that. So I kept using it. But I just put it on my nose, on right here, and just really blend it out. And it just gives you like, oh my god. It just gives you that like beautiful, like natural glow. Like, it's literally called wet glow. Like, it's just like beautiful. I don't know why I wasn't going to use it before, but it really does look nice. Like, just a really natural, like dewy, like, hey, I'm highlighted, but I'm not like over highlighted vibe. I just love it. It really is beautiful. And then I'll take it up to my brow bone, go around the bridge of my nose. Can't do it with nails, gotta go this way. And dab out my nose a little bit because I looked really shiny right there. And then go here, get out my brow bone. My brow bone is my favorite part to highlight. Aside from my cheekbones, because of course we love my cheekbones. My cheekbones are crazy, y'all. I don't know. Thanks to jeans, I guess. And then I'll take this white brush that I have. I'm pretty sure it's from e.l.f. I don't remember. I've had it for a long time. Like, the writing isn't even on it anymore. And I'll just tap it right here. And I'll go in the inner corners of my eyes. I always highlight what's already highlighted. That's what, that's the best makeup advice I've ever been given. Like, if you look at yourself and shine a light on your face head on, like, that's what you highlight. All the things that are already highlighted, all the things that are already looking like dewy on your face, that's where you put highlighter. So those spaces would be here and here and here. Cheekbones, obviously, brown bone, and this inner corner of my eyes are always looking very dewy and like, highlight me, highlight me. So I do. And I love it. So there's that. Then I go in with my all-time favorite mascara, aside from this one Tarte one that I cannot remember the name of, that I will put here. It is so bomb, y'all. This highlighter, this mascara is the best drugstore mascara in the game. I promise you, it will change your life. It's called Telescopic by L'Oreal. Top tier. It has like a super thin applicator, and I like that. And it, like, the bristles are small, and it really just fans out. Let me grab my mirror. Fans out your lashes. Like, if you have short lashes, like my lashes are ridiculously short, and it makes me look like I'm wearing lash extensions for real. Like, look at that. Look like, look at the difference though. Oh god, I got messy because I laughed. But seriously though, like, what? Anywho, so yeah, I do that. I always go like this and go up. I used to blink into it, but I don't do that anymore because it gets kind of messy. I mean, I just, all-time favorite mascara, seriously. And then I just go up and clean. My mascara always gets kind of messy. I don't know why, but if you have tips on how to keep your mascara from getting messy when you're applying it, comment down below, because I always get messy and have to go up and like clean like I'm doing right now, and it's fine. Like, I don't mind it at all. It's just, if I have a way to stop it, I would love to have that, you know? So yeah, comment down below if you have tips for that. But yes, best mascara ever, ever. So good. So then once I am completely done, which I am, it's all done. It was super easy, didn't take that long. It took longer, of course, because I'm recording it and explaining it, but I mean, look at the, like, just like very natural. Like, I didn't try to put on makeup today, but I kind of did, but still cute and natural though, you know what I mean? So then I take my setting spray, and I just spray her, fan the face a little bit. Also, if you ever wanted a dewier look, there's also setting sprays that are literally made for dewy. I don't like to look too dewy because sometimes my dewy turns into oily because I have combination skins. Some days it's normal. You never know. But all done. Sometimes I'll top it off with my Fenty gloss bomb. But yeah, after you add gloss and whatever else you want, your look is done. It was super easy. Thank you for watching so much. I hope you come back to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, subscribe, and comment down below.